Welcome back to this space, a place where you don't have to pretend, a place where you can slow down, breathe, and just be. I'm really glad you're here. Before we begin, I want you to pause for a moment. Not to think, not to worry, just to breathe. Take one slow, deep breath. Feel the air moving in and gently moving out. You made it here today, and that already says something important. It says you're still trying. It says you're still choosing to show up for yourself, even on days when everything feels heavy, confusing, or uncertain. And maybe you don't hear this often. Maybe no one has told you this in a long time. But you are doing better, much better than you think you are. Somewhere along the way, life started to feel like a competition, a race we never signed up for. We compare our journey with people who aren't even walking the same road. We measure our progress using someone else's timeline. And slowly, without realizing it, we forget to be kind to ourselves. But life is not a race. You are not late. You are not behind. And you are definitely not failing. Sometimes growth looks like waking up and choosing to try again, even when you're tired. Sometimes it looks like a quiet decision you make late at night, promising yourself that you won't give up, even if no one else knows how hard it's been. And sometimes, growth looks like simply surviving the day, getting through it one moment at a time while carrying a heavy heart. Your growth doesn't need to be loud. It doesn't need to be announced. Sometimes the softest steps are the most meaningful ones. We often underestimate the small things, the tiny choices, the quiet improvements that don't look impressive from the outside. But real progress isn't always dramatic. Most of the time, it's almost invisible. It's you learning to pause instead of reacting. It's you choosing not to repeat the same patterns. It's you slowly breaking habits that once controlled you. It's you choosing peace over chaos. It's you walking away from situations that cost you your mental health. Every small step you take matters, even the ones no one claps for, even the ones you barely notice yourself. Progress is still progress, no matter how slow it feels. Now think about your hardest moments, the ones you thought you would never make it through. The nights you cried quietly so no one would hear you. The mornings you woke up with a heavy chest, already exhausted before the day even began. The disappointments that changed you. The people you lost. The dreams that didn't work out the way you hoped. You survived all of it. Every single hard day. Every single breaking point. There were days you felt weak. Days you felt lost. Days when giving up felt easier than continuing. But here you are, still standing. Still breathing, still trying. That is strength. Even if you don't feel strong, even if you don't see it yet. And I hope today you allow yourself to recognize that strength within you. We live in a world that pressures us to have everything figured out. Our future, our purpose, our direction in life. But the truth is, you don't need to know everything right now. It's okay to be unsure. It's okay to change your mind. It's okay to admit that you're still learning. You're still growing. Life has a way of revealing things slowly in its own time. Sometimes the path only becomes clear after you take the first step. And sometimes, the only thing you can do is take the next small step without knowing exactly where it leads. That is not weakness. That is courage. So don't pressure yourself to have all the answers. Don't punish yourself for not being where you thought you'd be. Focus on what you can do today. Just one small move forward. That is enough. Please be gentle with yourself. You deserve patience. You deserve compassion, especially from yourself. Healing takes time. Growth takes time. Becoming the person you are meant to be takes time. Don't rush your journey just because someone else seems ahead. Their path is not your path. Their timing is not your timing. Your journey is unique, and that makes it meaningful. And remember this, it's okay to rest. It's okay to pause. Rest does not mean you're giving up. Rest means you're taking care of yourself. It's how you protect your energy. It's how you continue. You are allowed to begin again, as many times as you need. You are allowed to rewrite your story. You are allowed to outgrow people, places, and versions of yourself. You are allowed to choose a different direction. Nothing you've been through is wasted. Not your mistakes, not your delays, not your heartbreaks. They taught you. They shaped you. They made you wiser, even if it doesn't feel like it yet. Starting over is not losing. Starting over is choosing yourself. Whatever you're working on, whatever dream you're quietly holding on to, don't stop. Not because the journey is easy, but because you deserve to see how far you can go. There will be days when the weight feels unbearable, days when motivation disappears, days when progress feels invisible. But these days do not define you. They do not erase how far you've come. They do not mean you're failing. One day, you'll look back and realize that every delay, every struggle, every moment of doubt was shaping you for something better. So take one more slow breath, in and out. You are doing better than you think. You are stronger than you feel. And your journey is far from over. Be proud of yourself, not for being perfect, but for continuing even when it was hard. Thank you for being here. Thank you for giving yourself this moment. If this message brought you comfort, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, no matter what you're going through right now, you are growing, you are healing, and you are becoming someone beautiful.